infrastructure sector, and today we employ and give employment to around more than around 45,000 labor working all over the country. And to define the most important thing, quality over time over cost is the underlying motto of NBCC. That whatever happens, quality will always supersede time and cost, and same the other way also, the time will supersede cost. So the NBCC motto is quality over time over cost will be, and this will be the way forward in JP Infratech. Next slide. So I just talked about this Amrapali project. We have developed this Amrapali project was awarded to NBCC on the orders of the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court, having reposed faith in the abilities of NBCC, has handed over this construction of 45,000 flats. And these funds are provided by the home buyers. The balance is provided by Supreme Court appointed committee. It is being monitored by a Supreme Court appointed court receiver. We are getting fees for this project. We are not as a developer on this project, but yes, entire responsibility to execute this project is of NBCC. And in fact, the first 600 units we had completed within 6 months of the go-ahead we got in January 19. And thereafter, the phase 2 to phase 5 of Amrapali is going very well. And after we got the go-ahead in January 20 last year. Of course, the biggest constraint on this project has been the inadequate fund flow and sale of assets of Amrapali due to a complicated real estate scenario of Amrapali Group. So with that, I'll take you to the next slide, which is basically telling you about what is our plan for JP Infratech. Next slide. Of course, this is a brief of Amrapali. Just to tell you, out of 46,000, we have completed 19,000 at a cost of around, we have to do around 8,000 crores will be the cost of all entire phase 1 to phase 5 of Amrapali. Next slide. So the resolution plan of NBCC submitted for acquisition of JP Infratech in brief. For the purpose of home buyers, we have said that we will deliver the entire flats within a period of 15 to 42 months. Total claims of home buyers as amended recently is around more than 12,000 crores, which we intend to settle and hand over the entire, all the 18 to 19,000 units to be handed over and balance construction work to be completed with only nothing extra to be charged from home buyers except the balance dues as per the original payment rates, which are by the original provisional allotment letter. And of course, we intend to pay as per the delay penalty of 5 rupees square foot after moratorium. We are giving to refund seekers the principal dues, and we are also have an option for adjustment or refund against units which we can offer in future. So this is the broad proposal for home buyers. I'm sure everybody is aware of it. Next slide. Of course, you know very well that we have reduced the time period for construction of various projects from 15. Now we are delivering projects starting from 15 months to 42 months. And we have also provided a tower-wise completion schedule for each tower, matching with the overall delivery schedule as demanded in the last interaction we had with the home buyers. The next slide. Next slide. Yeah. विजय चौधरी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड चला दो. हाँ, ये वही है शेड्यूल ऑफ कंप्लीशन. Expected completion dates have been given. Next slide. This is the tower-wise completion schedule. Each tower we have given the target dates in a cluster format, starting for 15 months. And next. आगे चलो भी मुझे।
Yes, sir.
आगे
Yes, sir. This is the structure, sir.
हाँ, ये मेरा एक्चुअल स्लाइड पे दिख नहीं रहा था. So this is the transaction structure which we would like to inform all the home buyers, though it does not concern them directly, but just for information exactly what NBCC is doing and how it is doing and why it is doing. So the point here is just to make it very simple for everybody that NBCC will form a separate subsidiary company called SPVA, in which it will infuse equity. And this company SPVA will take over the shares of JP Healthcare, JP Infratech, and subsequent to taking over JP Infratech, NBCC, this JP Infratech will be divided into two companies. One is the Expressway, which we call it SPVB, and then the land SPV, which will be called SPVC, and then of course JP Healthcare, which is the JP Hospital, will remain as a subsidiary of JP Infratech. Here what is happening is these two SPVB and which is a special purpose company, SPVB and SPVC, are two companies in which some assets are being transferred from JP Infratech. Primarily the Yamuna Expressway is being transferred to SPVB, and some land parcels are being transferred to SPVC, and both these SPVs B and C will be handed over to the lenders of the creditors of JP Infratech in settlement of their claims. So this is the basic structure, that all the claims of JP Infratech which the lenders are having will be settled through these two companies separately. And in fact, no claim will remain on JP Infratech, and the assets which will be left over, apart from the assets handed over to this SPVC in terms of land and the expressway, all the balance assets will remain in JP Infratech. And of course, there will be, of course, some new lenders will be created on the new Expressway SPV, on which we will raise a debt of 2,000 crores. And this money of 2,000 crore rupees raised in Expressway SPV will be brought into JP Infratech and to be used for construction of their houses. So this is the overall structure, how we intend to operate here. And the reason why we are trying to show you this organization structure is essentially what we have done is separated the debt which we are taking on the company into a separate SPV. For example, आप ये मान लीजिए कि हमने जो लोन लिया है 2000 करोड़ रुपए का, बाकी लोग भी ले रहे हैं लोन, पर वो जेपी इंफ्राटेक पे लेते हैं, हमने लिया है एक्सप्रेसवे एसपीवी पे, सो दैट जो जेपी इंफ्राटेक के ऊपर कोई लोन नहीं आएगा. So with this, we'll take it forward to other points which are essentially related to question answer. But before we take up any question answers, I would like to request our CMD, Shri P.K. Gupta ji, to address all of you on the various policies, principles, and how NBCC is going to assure you that we are there to deliver all your 20,000 houses, and why you should have total faith in NBCC India Limited. Thank you, sir. Over to Shri Gupta ji, P.K. Gupta ji, Chairman cum Managing Director of NBCC. Thank you. विजय
सर.
अब CMD साहब का ये प्रेजेंटेशन हटा दो.
यस सर.
या
Namaskar everybody. I am P.K. Gupta, Chairman Managing Director NBCC. I hope everybody is all right in the difficult time. Just a few things I would like to say, because a lot of some people are spreading some misgivings about NBCC. And one of them is that NBCC was given a chance earlier and they did not implement the plan. So this is absolutely beyond fact. NBCC is with the plan for last 2.5 years, and there is no reason for NBCC to not implement the plan. If we were not to implement the plan, then why should we come again this time also? There is no compulsion, there is no reason for us. The myth that being spread is that NCLT had approved the plan of NBCC and NBCC did not implement it. This is completely incorrect because there were 14 applications in NCLAT against the order of NCLT, which was filed almost at the same time. So there was no ground for NBCC to implement the plan. There was no way we could have implemented the plan. In fact, when NCLAT told us to join IMC, we immediately came forward because the things in company were not moving. We immediately, along with bankers, we formed the IMC and we started looking into the affairs of GIL. Till Supreme Court gave a decision that IMC is not as per law and they disbanded the IMC. So that itself shows the sincerity of NBCC 100%, and there is no reason for NBCC to run away even for a day. Another point that goes in favor of NBCC, we are a government company, majority shareholder is government, and this plan is being totally backed by government because the government is worried mainly about home buyers that come what may, these 20,000 houses should be constructed in the minimum time possible because the real sufferers are individual home buyers. Once NBCC comes into picture and starts the work, there is no ground, there is no occasion that the houses will not be complete. Because we are answerable not only to the home buyers and lenders for whom the resolution plan will be made, but we are answerable to the government of India. We are answerable to the parliament. We are answerable to the cabinet. We are answerable to our ministry. Even if there is a single lapse, everybody is there to hold us up. Everybody of you are free to approach your elected representatives, which always happen whenever there is any deficiency on the part of NBCC. You are free to approach your public representative, government officials, honorable minister, and anybody in the government. And NBCC also has an advantage of being a part of the government. If there is a problem with NBCC, we can always look up to the government to provide us support, technical support, financial support, any kind of support. So it's almost certain that if NBCC comes into picture, the houses will be constructed. Same cannot be true about other players. One of the company was already in the hands of private players. That they have failed. Most of the builders, a large number of builders in the country have failed, and reasons are clear to everybody. So I think nobody would like that there is a failure again in this. And then the party runs away or goes into NCLT again. That surety can be given only by NBCC because there is no chance of NBCC running away or going to NCLT, because even if there is a problem, government is there to support. Some of the, I won't like to dwell much upon the plan of the other party or criticize my opponent, but some people have been saying that NBCC is not a decision maker. Government does not take decisions, so it's not appropriate to hand over the houses to the government company. This is far from true. NBCC has come forward whenever, in case of Amrapali, MDCC has come forward, Supreme Court has in the houses, and there are many other cases where NBCC has come forward where the private parties are run away or where the circumstances are very, very difficult. So even if the construction is very tough, the houses are lying unattended for 4 years. Once NBC is there, you can be very sure of the construction of houses and completion within the specified time frame and within the cost that has been promised to. Whatever, even if there is a loss, NBCC will bear. That cannot be true of a private party. If there is a loss, no private party stands. They will simply run away. And that is why there is a failure of so many builders. Whenever there is a loss, they simply run away. We have a standing in real estate sector. Mr. Yogesh Sharma told you. We have a experience of construction of commercial building, residential buildings, and many landmark buildings in India. And some of the projects have been constructed in very, very difficult areas like on borders. We have constructed roads and fencing. We have a lot of experience of working in the foreign country. That tells a lot about NBCC. We have worked in Mauritius. We have worked in number of countries of Africa. We have worked in Maldives. We have worked in Iraq. So a large number of countries we have worked. So it's only possible because of the technical strength and dedicated workforce of NBCC. So the purpose of my addressing you was only this much, to give assurance on behalf of my board of directors, on behalf of myself and on behalf of the government, that if NBCC succeeds in getting the project and its resolution plan is approved, you can be rest assured that your houses will be constructed with the topmost quality in the specified time and in the specified cost frame. So if you have any specific questions, you can raise. Mr. Yogesh Sharma and our team is there. They'll answer the question.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Chairman, sir, for addressing the home buyers and assuring them that NBCC will deliver the project on time and with the best quality. And of course, any question answers we will be happy to take from all the home buyers. But before that, like last time we had flagged some questions, we have flagged some more questions for you, which we understood from various emails and other communications. So we'll run through the questions, and as we go along, we will answer as many questions. We'll invite some home buyers to ask direct questions. We are also making notes of all the various queries coming in the chat room, and our team is working on them, and we'll compile all the questions and give as many answers as possible. So Vijay, can you run the slide presentation again?
Yes, sir.
And we have the questions which were asked
Sunil
by
लगाओ.
home buyers. Next slide.
सर ये डेट फ्री मॉडल सर.
So before we go to the questions, I would like to highlight one point which CMD sir also highlighted and which we tried to capture in the structure which I explained some time back, that NBCC likes to work on a debt-free model. Today, NBCC is proud to say that whatever we have net worth and the operations we do of 10,000 crores in the entire one financial year, we do not take a single rupee as loan. All our operations, whether it is real estate operations or it is project operations or requirements of working capital, everything is funded through our internal resources. That is the basic principle on which NBCC operates, that do not take debt on the company's balance sheets, because once you take debt, you know you are heading downwardly, because always in business operations, especially in the real estate sector, there are always ups and downs. Sometimes you may be doing well, but sometimes, most of the time, there is a market clutch or something will go wrong, and so the taxations will change or the demand will go up and down. So that is the time when the companies start taking a hit, and that has been the scene of real estate sector in the entire country, especially in the NCR, where there are more than 2 lakh units, houses to be constructed, and 20,000 are right here in JP Infratech, 46,000 are in Amrapali, another 20,000 in Unitech, such all over NCR, which are yet to be completed. And I'm sure all we understand your pain, all the home buyers, that the big reason why all these projects have not been able to succeed is the only reason is most of the big developers have taken so much of debt which is not possible to service with the kind of cash flows in real estate sectors. So this is our principle and this is how we operate, and that is has been our delivery and success model. So with this same principle, we have entered JP Infratech, and we would like to work on the same model, because please understand this. Some party may or somebody may promise you everything, but please understand that anything which can happen will be delivered only when it is feasible in terms of financial resources or financial planning. Anybody can offer you the moon, but only you can get the moon when somebody can go to the moon. So please understand, NBCC is a public sector company, will offer you only what it can deliver. And coming back to certain improvements which you had asked in a resolution plan, last time we made some commitments. We have in fact now improved it better, and we have made the reduction in the rate of interest from 18% in case of delay to 12% to make it attractive to people and not to penalize them too much. But that is the small change. We have accepted the home buyers request. Then of course the grace period, we have increased it from 90 to 120 days in case of default. And of course for refund seekers also, in case we are not able to refund, we will pay 12% per annum interest. That is of course a valid demand. And then of course a major change apart from a project tower-wise completion schedule, cutting down the timelines, we have also reduced the moratorium period from 2 years to 1 year from the delivery dates contained in the delivery schedule. So with this, we have tried to bring hope of a completed project, completed flat to you as fast as possible. We have given you the deadlines of completion. Of course, first flat committed plan is around in a year. We'll be able to give you your first flats, because initially, please understand, there are a lot of things which need to be looked into all the units. Structurally, all the flats have to be checked. All the building designs, whichever are there in whatever format, have to be revalidated because project has not been executed for a long time. All this will take time, but I can definitely assure you, as per our construction plan, which we have submitted to you, you will notice that we will be able to deliver at least 70% of all your houses in 2.5 years. So that is a big commitment which we are making out of 22,500 units odd, which are including plots, etc., which are to be completed. We will be assuring you, if you calculate in as per the construction schedule, in 2.5 to say 30 months, if we can deliver you 70%, I think you should be pretty happy with that kind of commitment. So with that, I'll take you through other points. You had asked in against our resolution plan, we had a meeting with you that you wanted a single window for your dispute redressal or other issues in order to resolve any grievance. We will have a single window redressal system, and we will also have a online portal for looking into the grievances of every home buyer. And of course, we have also considered it very important that during the transition phase, during the approval date from NCLT order to after the transfer date, NBCC will be in position until the actual plan is implemented. We will have representative of the home buyer in the committee, and that is broadly the changes which we have implemented as per your suggestions. And we'll run through the question answers. Vijay.
सुनील नेक्स्ट
Yeah.
सर एक रिक्वेस्ट है सर.
हाँ.
कुछ होम बायर्स बोल रहे हैं कि जो हमारे पैनलिस्ट है उनको बोलिए कि अपना वीडियो स्टार्ट करने के लिए.
Okay. I think
रिक्वेस्ट
I'll request all directors to open their videos also Director of Projects, Director Commercial, and Director of Finance, please put on your video so all the home buyers can see you, because entire board of NBCC is sitting here today and addressing the home buyers. With this very presence of all our board members, you can be assured that NBCC is a serious contender and we value this project very much. And we want to assure you with a combined strength that whatever we promise will be delivered. So one of the questions which was raised was the assurance of guarantee.
सर डीपी सर एंड डीसी सर का भी वीडियो ऑन नहीं हुआ है सर.
हाँ कराओ, याद फोन करो.
मैं फोन करता हूँ.
कर दिया, ऑन कर दिया है. विजय,
यस सर, यस सर.
हाँ, तो first point was that guaranteed delivery for home buyers who have been stuck for the last 10 years. That is one thing NBCC will definitely is guaranteed. We have given a construction schedule. We are assuring you delay penalty, and we have drastically reduced the construction timeline which we had submitted earlier. In our plan for 28th of April, you will see that difference, and you will also notice that we have given a timeline in such a way that you should be able to get 70% of your flats completed in 2.5 years. And then, of course, a very valid question which has been coming up, that what is the repercussions or fallout of this resolution process under the present round. I believe all the people who are aware of what has been happening in the NCLT through the CIRP process, that this is the last round, you can say, because this is going on it's an extension round. Special powers under 142, the Supreme Court has allowed the extension of CRP for 45 days plus 45 days. And I don't know what will happen in future. It will be, if in whatever way, it will be to the Supreme Court to decide what to do if this plan does not get passed during the present extended CRP period. But we are hopeful that NBCC will be there with you and doing our best to get selected as a successful RA. And so I think you should not worry about it as far as NBCC will take you through. If this issue is there, many people have asked us that NBCC is ready to execute this project in line with Amrapali. Yes, of course. NBCC's main business is of project management services, like what services we are providing in Amrapali. That services we can always provide in JP Infratech also. And of course, the modalities of the same will have to be worked out, and the Supreme Court possibly could take cognition of this issue in similar lines as was done for Amrapali, and the terms of which, of course, can be looked into separately. So we have no reservations in working on the Amrapali model if it comes to that. So somebody asked us, what is the USP of NBCC as a real estate player? The biggest USP, like we said, is our zero debt model. We never take debt for either purchase of land, for construction, or for any other purpose, even for working capital. All our operations are done with our own resources. So that is the why we are able to hold on to units, even if they are not sold in the market due to a glut, or if there are issues where land parcels, the capital is blocked in land parcels and we are not able to monetize it. We never face such issues. Today we have a land bank of more than 200 acres of our own at various around locations all over the country. But since all the land parcels have been purchased with all our internal resources without any debt or any investments or through debt, so NBCC is always in a comfortable position to maintain the IRR which it plans when it takes up the real estate project. So this is the primary way we operate, and that is our USP, that is a zero debt model. Of course, default in payment is something from home buyers we do not expect, because let us look at it like that if you pay the money, you get your house earlier. And so we have, of course, delayed the forfeiture clause and the interest has been reduced to make it easier and comfortable to you. Bankruptcy is of course not a question for NBCC at all, because we don't take debt. Any other company who takes debt only can go into bankruptcy. When the zero debt model, NBCC cannot go into bankruptcy. So I think this is only an hypothetical question of bankruptcy. Maybe it applies to many private sectors, not to NBCC. Next slide, please. Or if there are more questions, we can take them up.
योगेश सर, यहाँ पे मैं ऐड करना
क्या
चाहूंगा। एक्चुअली कुछ होम बायर्स का मेरे पास व्हाट्सएप आया है।
हाँ,
वो कह रहे हैं कि जैसे एसआर स्टील है, भूषण स्टील है, आलोक इंडस्ट्री है, लैंको है, जेट एयरवेज है,
हाँ, हाँ,
रिलायंस है, डीएचएफएल है, जेपी इंफ्राटेक है, ये सारी के सारी इंसॉल्वेंसी में चली गई। तो आप इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट ले रहे हैं, तो आपकी क्या पोजीशन है? तो वही सर थोड़ा सा इसके ऊपर इनका स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन है।
तो
सर ये बेसिकली सर ये कंपनियों के पीछे सबसे बड़ा जो बैंकरप्सी हुई, तो इन्होंने लोन ले रखा था सर, हैवी लोन्स ले रखे थे।
तो ये क्वेश्चन को आई थिंक डायरेक्टर फाइनेंस मिसेस सोकी इज ऑन द पैनल, शी विल बी एबल टू गिव अ सूटेबल रिप्लाई। मैडम, बैंकरप्सी के ऊपर आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे मैडम होम बायर्स को?
No, not now. I will not want to make any comments because that will be replied separately through the mail to them.
Okay, madam. But I can assure you, all the home buyers, that see the cause of bankruptcy is always huge debt beyond the assets which are and which beyond the cash flows which can actually service that debt. This is the main reason for bankruptcy, and the second is the intentions of the promoters. So these two reasons have been the real cause of bankruptcy in the real estate sector. And of course, the third reason is the kind of fluidity which happens in real estate transactions, which does not, especially in NBCC being a government sector company, they are impossible to happen. So these three factors are absolutely not applicable in NBCC. So that is one reason bankruptcy is never an option in NBCC. However, as an overall experience, I can tell you in the real estate sector, this has been a problem, and even I should not comment on the specific project, but the dangers of loans, the danger of debt which was created on this company, around 10,000 crores of debt still exists on JP Infratech, and this has been there for the last 12 years in spite of being serviced for interest by around 4,000 crores and maybe 2,000 crores of land debt swap, but still the debt remains. Can you imagine the situation of a company which took loans of around 10,000 crores and after 10 years also it is still sitting on 10,000 crores of debt with paid back of around 60% already. So this is the kind of impact whenever you take a loan. हमारे पुराने बुजुर्ग ये कहते थे कि भैया जो भी धंधा करो, बिजनेस करो, अपनी कौड़ी से करो, किसी और की कौड़ी से करोगे तो जो अपनी कौड़ी भी चली जाएगी। तो दिस प्रिंसिपल NBCC स्टिल फॉलोज, एंड बैंकरप्सी का जो मैंने आंसर दिया, दैट इज अ मेन कॉज। स्पेशली यहाँ जो आप लोग ने सबने 12,000 करोड़ रुपए तक इस कंपनी में लगाए दिए, एंड स्टिल 12,000 करोड़ रुपए के क्लेम भी आपने फाइल किए, पर रियलिटी के अंदर 6,000 करोड़ रुपए ही करीब कंस्ट्रक्शन में लगा। बैलेंस पैसा या तो इंटरेस्ट में गया, या हाईवे के कंस्ट्रक्शन में गया, या पता नहीं कहाँ गया। तो देखिए, दिस इज व्हेन आई से द ओवरऑल परसेप्शन कि आप लोन के भरोसे अगर कोई आपको आज भी कोई कहता है कि मैं लोन लूंगा और काम करूंगा, तो आप ये मान लीजिए उसमें क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा दीजिएगा, क्योंकि किसी भी तरीके से जो वायबिलिटी है आज के रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर के अंदर, वो किसी भी तरीके से पॉसिबल नहीं है कि आप लोन की जो डेट को सर्विस कर सके इन रियल एस्टेट। लोन एंड सर्विसेबल जो होते हैं वो इंडस्ट्री में होते हैं, वेयर बेसिकली द मार्जिन्स आर सो हाई एंड द वर्किंग कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट्स से है ना कैश फ्लो का जो चर्निंग है बहुत फास्ट होती है इन इंडस्ट्री, बट इन रियल एस्टेट में चर्निंग इज वेरी स्लो, इट टेक्स मे बी 2-3 years टू डिस्पोज ऑफ यूनिट्स। तो ये प्रॉब्लम बैंक्रप्सी के रियल एस्टेट में रहेगी जब तक बिल्डर्स लोन लेके काम करेंगे। अपने लेवल अपने पैसे से काम करें, थोड़ा काम करें, दे विल बी सक्सेसफुल। और एनबीसीसी का मॉडल यही है, ये हम आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट पे सिद्ध करके दिखाएंगे। थैंक यू विजय, लेट्स मूव।
यस सर।
हाँ, आगे चले।
यस सर, ये आ गया सर, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड।
हम हमारे डायरेक्टर कमर्शियल भी हैं राजेंद्र चौधरी साहब, इफ ही वुड लाइक टू से समथिंग ऑन एनी ऑफ दीज क्वेरीज, और कोई क्वेरी हो, क्योंकि फिर थोड़ा सा बोरिंग भी हो जाता है विजय।
यस सर।
चौधरी साहब,
आई एम देयर। और
आपको यू लाइक टू से समथिंग सर ऑन
बिल्कुल।
ओवरऑल, बताइए सर।
जैसा हम कमिट कर रहे हैं,
जी सर।
ये प्रोजेक्ट बना के देंगे, तो हमें टाइम पे बना के देंगे पूरा प्रोजेक्ट, क्वालिटी का कोई इश्यू नहीं होगा। और जैसे हमारे सीएमडी साहब ने बोला कि वी आर आंसरेबल टू गवर्नमेंट और टू वेरियस दिस थिंग, तो हमारी तरफ से जब गवर्नमेंट कंपनी ये काम ले लेगी तो यू रेस्ट एश्योर्ड कि आपको ये पूरा होके मिलेगा, और बहुत तरीके से पूरा होके मिलेगा। आपको मैंने पिछली बार भी बोला था कि हम पोर्टल पे ऑनलाइन आपकी जो ग्रीवांस, हाँ होम बायर्स के लिए बोल रहा हूँ कि पोर्टल पे मैंने ये भी बोला था लास्ट टाइम कि हम पोर्टल ऑनलाइन क्रिएट कर देंगे, जिससे आपको इधर उधर किसके पास आपकी ग्रीवांस है वो भेजने में तकलीफ ना हो। और एक हमारा डेडिकेटेड सेल होगा जो इसको हैंडल करेगा, आपकी वो ईएमआई से लेके अगर आपकी क्वालिटी में कोई इश्यू आ गया है, कुछ भी है, वो उस तरह से हम लोग हैंडल करेंगे। एंड हम लोग बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंट हैं कि इस प्रोजेक्ट को जिस तरह से हम आम्रपाली कर रहे हैं, इतना ह्यूज प्रोजेक्ट, ये भी उस तरह का प्रोजेक्ट है, वी विल बी एबल टू हैंडल इट बेस्ट इन द कंट्री, दिस इज आई कैन अश्योर। ठीक है योगेश।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर। एंड एग्जीक्यूशन के बारे में मैं एश्योरेंस करना चाहता हूँ कि एनबीसी की एश्योरेंस जो हमने प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीशन डेट्स और टारगेट्स दिए हैं, दे आर अचीवेबल। एंड आई विल आस्क आवर डायरेक्टर प्रोजेक्ट्स नीलेश शाह जी टू स्पीक ऑन दिस, क्योंकि ही इज द हेड ऑफ ऑल एग्जीक्यूशन इन द कंट्री फॉर एनबीसीसी। तो शाह साहब, आप थोड़ा होम बायर्स को और जेपी इंफ्राटेक को एश्योर कर सकते हैं कि कैसे एनबीसीसी ये 17,000 करीब फ्लैट 2.5 साल में कंप्लीट करेगी, 30 मंथ्स में, जो हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन प्लान दिया है उसके बारे में। प्लीज शाह साहब।
Good evening to all home buyers. On behalf of NBCC, I can assure you that whatever time limit we have given, will definitely, I will comply with those time limits. Will stick to those time limits, and most of the project where some progress is there, somewhere structure is, I mean, in some towers structure is completed almost 100%, 90% or 70%, whatever it is there. So where some construction is there, even 7-8 floors are constructed, those all towers we have planned to complete in a period of 2.5 years. And beyond 2.5 years, we are going only for those projects where even the foundation is not laid or the project is in foundation stage. So we have very, I mean, dedicated team of engineers. We have about 650 engineers, regular engineers with us, and we have proven track record of completing such type of buildings. And I can assure you that definitely you can believe in NBCC, and you know our unique model and our company, and definitely we have, I mean, we have cash flow we have prepared in such a way that the work of construction should not suffer. And our main priority is to, I mean, home buyers who are suffering for the last 8-9 years, they should get the houses first. So हमारा जो main motive है is to give the houses to home buyers. बाकी जो छोटी मोटी डिमांड है या छोटी मोटी जो जिस तरह से है वो तो हमने एग्री कर ही लिया है, लाइक इंटरेस्ट रेट वी हैव रिड्यूस टू 12% and penalty also we have in time limit from 90 days to 120 days की हमने time limit की है. और we are we are being the government organization, we are flexible because NBCC is only government organization who is having experience of construction also as well as marketing also. So this is the added advantage with NBCC. We are flexible. Being government undertaking also, we have our separate real estate marketing division also. So that will aid to that will aid to improve our cash flow. We can immediately start construction, and we have already planned. I personally visited most of the towers. I have personally visited, including Mirzapur and Jaganpur, and we have almost progress of each and every tower with us. So definitely, our strategy will to start work simultaneously on all the towers, on all the projects, and we have dedicated an experienced team. So we are believing in NBCC, and kindly vote for NBCC. I will appeal during the process of the voting, please NBCC को vote करिए, and we will not disappoint you. Thank you.
Thank you, Shah Sahab. और hello. Wait, I think So I think Vijay, we can ask some home buyers to give their comments. Because query answers में थोड़ा सा ठीक रहता है कि कोई कुछ पूछे तो हम पर्टिकुलर जवाब दें. तो आप 7-8-10 लोगों को whoever you think जो एक जनरल क्वेरीज आ रही हैं उसको एक कंपाइल कर लें, फिर जवाब दे देते हैं. और एक किस को आप बुलाना चाहते हैं वीडियो पे, ये प्रेजेंटेशन आई थिंक आप बंद कर दें.
सर इसमें दो तीन क्वेश्चन जो आ रहे हैं मेरे पास. जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है सर, वो ये कह रहे हैं कि जो एस्क्रो अकाउंट हमारा सेपरेट होगा उसको किस तरीके से आप मैनेज करेंगे, इस प्रोजेक्ट वाइज अकाउंट रखेंगे या कैसे करेंगे?
चलो तुम ही बताओ
सर. हमारा प्लान ये है कि
तुम हमारे फाइनेंस हेड हो जेपी के. तो विजय चौधरी विल बी रनिंग दिस कंपनी फ्रॉम फाइनेंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. तो आप ही बताइए सब होम बायर्स को.
सर हम बिल्कुल प्रोजेक्ट वाइज अकाउंट रखेंगे, सेपरेट अकाउंट रहेंगे, और अगर रिक्वायर्ड तो इनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स होंगे, उनको हम अपना स्टेटमेंट भी दिखा सकते हैं कि हम इस पैसे को डाइवर्ट नहीं कर रहे. और वैसे भी रेरा के हिसाब से जो पैसा इनका जो पैसा आना होम बायर्स का वो तो 3000 करोड़ रुपए आना है सर, और प्रोजेक्ट में लगाना 6500 करोड़. तो देयर इज ऑलवेज डिफिसिट कि जो होम बायर से पैसा आएगा तो वो ऑलवेज डिफिसिट में है सर. तो हमें तो जो 2000 करोड़ रुपया जो हम ला रहे हैं अभी, तो वो सारा का सारा पैसा हमें कंस्ट्रक्शन में लगाना है सर. तो देयर इज क्वेश्चन ऑफ डाइवर्जन ऑफ फंड. जो बेसिकली क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं होम बायर्स कि क्या हम डाइवर्जन तो नहीं करेंगे जैसे बाकी बिल्डर्स डाइवर्जन कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे
वो तो इशू नहीं है.
यहाँ पे यूनिक फीचर है कि डाइवर्जन हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि होम बायर्स को देना है 3000 और हमें लगाने 6500. तो रादर हमें अपने पॉकेट से पैसा इन्फ्यूज करना. तो देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ डाइवर्जन.
ठीक है
सर. एक सर स्पेसिफिक इनका क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 सर. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट एज पर अप्रूव्ड लेआउट प्लान अलोंग विद कॉमन फैसिलिटी. ये कॉमन क्वेश्चन है सर कई होम बायर्स का. इनको डाउट है कि क्या हम जो कॉमन फैसिलिटीज को भी डेवलप करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, या सिर्फ घर बना के देंगे.
नहीं, वो तो जो मास्टर प्लान में है सारी चीजें बनाई जाएगी डेफिनेटली. तो ऑल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बिना तो हाउसेस कंप्लीट माने नहीं जा सकते.
बिल्कुल सर.
और क्या है, ये तो पिछली बार भी हमने क्लैरिफाई किया था विजय लास्ट प्रेजेंटेशन.
कुछ होम बायर्स लास्ट टाइम जब ज्वाइन नहीं किए थे उनके क्वेश्चन सर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 सर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 सर हमने ऑलरेडी रिप्लाई कर दिया कि पेमेंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट टू रिफंड सीकर इन केस ऑफ पेमेंट इज नॉट मेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिजोल्यूशन प्लान. वैसे सर ये क्वेश्चन कभी आएगा नहीं. हम पहले ही दिन से पैसे को जो रिफंड सीकर्स का है वो हम सेपरेट अकाउंट में डेडिकेट करके रख रहे हैं. तो देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ, बट अगर कुछ डिले होता है तो डेफिनेटली एनबीसीसी विल पे द इंटरेस्ट. एक इनका क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में आ रहा है सर, रिडक्शन इन द प्रपोज्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन पीरियड एंड मैरिटाइम पीरियड. सर यू हैव already
we have done that sufficiently.
Yes sir.
Sufficient.
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 आ रहा है सर, विल एनबीसीसी टेक लोन टू कंप्लीट द प्रोजेक्ट? सर ये आपने बहुत डिटेल में शेयर कर दिया कि जितने भी आज डेवलपर्स हैं एनसीआर में और इंडिया में, वो सारे बैंकरप्सी में गए इसीलिए कि उन्होंने लोन लिया है और लोन के सर्विसिंग वो नहीं कर पाए, दैट्स वाई। और अभी आफ्टर द आईबीसी कोड, अब तो सर अगर एक क्वार्टर में अगर किसी ने इंटरेस्ट का पेमेंट नहीं किया तो जो फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूशन है दे में ड्रैग द कंपनी इन द लिक्विडेशन। तो ये तो बहुत बड़ा इसमें रिस्क है सर कि कोई भी लोन लेकर के अगर प्रोजेक्ट को कंप्लीट करना। हमारा ऑलरेडी जो मॉडल है सर, उस मॉडल में वी विल कंप्लीट द प्रोजेक्ट विदाउट टेकिंग लोन। सुनील जी
बिल्कुल
नेक्स्ट।
बिल्कुल। हाँ,
सुनील जी
अगली
नेक्स्ट।
स्लाइड।
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 सर आप रिप्लाई कीजिए। ये होम बायर्स का आ रहा है कि सर उनको काफी टाइम हो गया है तो दे वांट सम कंपनसेशन की कोई लैंड या कुछ डिले पेनल्टी टाइप से कुछ। ये बार बार इनकी क्वेश्चंस आ रही है सर, होम बायर्स की रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है सर।
हम्म। चलो इसको देखते हैं। अभी इसको यहाँ पर रिप्लाई करना डिफिकल्ट है। अगला क्वेश्चन बताओ, 14 नंबर।
सर 14 नंबर सर हमने ऑलरेडी सर इनकी बात को एग्री कर लिया। वी आर रिड्यूसिंग इंटरेस्ट फ्रॉम 18% टू 12%। यू हैव ऑलरेडी रिप्लाइड सर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 सर हमने ऑलरेडी सर यू हैव रिप्लाइड वी हैव इंक्रीज द पीरियड ऑफ 90 टू 120 डेज। सर 16 सर क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस सर, स्ट्रक्चर स्टेबिलिटी। थोड़ा डाउट इनको है सर कि क्योंकि टावर्स को बने हुए 7-8 साल हो गए हैं तो दे आर कि कहीं ये अर्थ क्वेक जोन में है एनसी है आपका एनसीआर, तो कहीं कुछ इश्यू तो नहीं आएगा स्ट्रक्चरल स्टेबिलिटी के लिए। तो ये मेजर कंसर्न है सर होम बायर्स का।
देखिए हम नहीं एक्सपेक्ट करते इश्यूज आएंगे। 1 और 2 थिंग्स की हाँ, डायरेक्टर प्रोजेक्ट्स कुछ कहना चाहते हैं। हेलो शाह साहब, आप कुछ कह रहे हैं?
यस यस, स्ट्रक्चर स्टेबिलिटी जो है, that is a very good question actually, because the certain towers the structure was completed about 3-4 years back, and so it is structure in some cases the reinforcement is also exposed to atmosphere, so we are very much aware of this fact actually. And in fact we have our own team of quality technical audit team and quality control team actually. In fact this is one of the point we while I'm discussing the JP project, we have internally discussed also, and we have collaboration with IIT Roorkee also, and recently we have developed a laboratory in Greater Noida in collaboration with IIT Roorkee. And the apart from the normal testing, whatever material and material we check for the construction material, during the I mean concrete and other construction material during the course of construction, we have facility of checking the quality of the existing structure also. So all type of I mean test like hammer test, rebound hammer test is there, and quality of the concrete like chemical analysis and presence of the chloride and sulfate, all those tests we will conduct actually before taking up the construction. We have existing MOU also for some other projects with renowned IITs in India, and we are aware of all the latest technology, how to improve. If the any deficiency is found in the existing structure, we will definitely take care of that aspect. So we can perform all non-destructive tests on the concrete before the commencement of the construction. So you should be rest assured about this aspect. Okay, Yogesh? Yogesh?
यस सर।
विजय
हाँ
I
सुनील
think
जी
we may
नेक्स्ट।
continue.
सुनील जी नेक्स्ट। सुनील जी नेक्स्ट। सर डीपी सर क्वेश्चन अगेन आपके लिए है सर। कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ऑल प्रोजेक्ट टू बी कैरिड आउट थ्रू रेपुटेटेड कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ओनली। वो ये कह रहे हैं कि एनबीसीसी का क्या स्ट्रक्चर होगा?
No, definitely no. being so we are a central government and undertaking company, and being a government PSU, we are subject to CT and CVC and all. No, we are covered under CTC, CVC, everything. So we don't engage any unprofessional or non-qualified contractor. We follow the CVC guidelines, and we have our own guidelines also, and the contractors are engaged through lot 100% transparency is there. We invite open tender and through website, and no physical tendering. All tendering will be e-tendering only, and we have set criteria for qualification of the contractor. So unqualified and contractor, those who are not having resources, will not be engaged on this particular. That I can assure you. ठीक है विजय,
सर
you can
सर
go
सर
ahead.
यस सर
Yeah.
सर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 18 है सर, इंस्टॉलमेंट डिमांड फ्रॉम होम बायर शुड बी एज पर द अलॉटमेंट लेटर ऑब्लिक अलोंग विद नो इंक्रीज इन द सुपर एरिया। सर यहाँ पे रिप्लाई यही है सर कि जितना इनका पाल है, बिल्डर बायर एग्रीमेंट है, वी विल ऑनर दैट बिल्डर बायर एग्रीमेंट, जो भी है उसके हिसाब से ही हम उनसे डिमांड करेंगे, और सुपर एरिया भी जितना उनके बिल्डर बायर एग्रीमेंट में है उससे ज्यादा हम इंक्रीज नहीं करेंगे सर। यही हमने लास्ट टाइम भी रिप्लाई किया था, और यही अभी भी हमारा रिप्लाई है।